Here we will discuss how to use the Walker Invalid's Reciprocating All Pods. The Walker Invalid Reciprocating All Pods is available in these sizes. Measure the user's height. First, we will see how to adjust height of Walker Invalid's Reciprocating All Pods. Unfold the walker. Now, press the locking pins to lock the reciprocation. Stand straight within the walker frame with shoulders relaxed and arms hanging loosely at user's body side. Adjust the height of the walker by moving all four legs one by one using push button. The hand grip position should come to the wrist crease. Slightly bend your elbow while holding the stick from its hand grip. Now let us see how to use the Walker Invalid's Reciprocating All Pods. Now unlock the locking pins to unlock the reciprocation. Stand inside the walker frame holding it from its hand grips. Push the walker forward on one side and then move the foot of the same side forward. Repeat the procedure to the other side of the walker and foot. Keep on repeating this action for maneuvering. Don't take sharp turns, rather take short steps while turning. Now let us see how to fold the walker. Fold the walker from one side, following the other side. Before sleeping, keep your walker nearby your bed to reach it. Thanks for watching. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. For more info, log on to www.tynorindia.com.